Are you bored on the plane or generally traveling? I got you. Here's how to step out refreshed and glowing after your travel. First, we are starting with some neck stretches to get your lymphatic drainage going and release tension in the neck. Kiss from side to side and feel the stretch in your neck. Next ones are the all-you-can-face roundabouts. This is amazing to strengthen your entire mouth area and get rid of nasolabial folds. Do this equally on both sides. Next up, we are sculpting our cheekbones. Make a fish face and smile towards your ears. Now we are engaging our eyes. Open your eyes as wide as possible without frowning. This not only increases blood circulation but also teaches you not to frown as much. And we continue with wow. Say wow as much as you can and as big as possible to increase blood circulation. Lastly, press your lips on top of each other and keep them like that and smile towards your ears. Press as hard as you can, release after a couple of seconds and see how your lips are plumping up and become luscious. Step out of this plane like a glowing goddess.